Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to do an update on the long roots and check out how they're doing. So as you can see, I've got a tower scaff at the back here and 6 lengths of guttering coming down into this barrel of water, and the ends are all open, so if we do get roots they can go into the barrel of water and carry on growing. The guttering lengths are 6.2 metres long and they go above these 2 compost bays that are full of potatoes at the moment, and supported by some battens. And I've just made a small cold frame using tinted polycarb just to help keep them from getting too much sun. And then out of the 6, at the bottom we've got a long carrot from Medwins of Anglesey, Viking parsnip, and right in the back, if you can make that out, that's a long black beetroot, all from Medwins of Anglesey. And top 3 not doing so well. The end here, got a radish that has gone to seed, so we won't be having that. There's parsnip here that's quite far behind, and the carrot never made it. So at least I'll have 3 practice runs of getting the tubes down and out before actually taking these 3 down and out. Right guys, so that's my long roots. It's my first year trying these, so hopefully they do quite well, but I'm not expecting anything too big. Right guys, so that's about it for this one. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, leave a like and drop me a comment below. Bye for now.